In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox audio not working. So in here, you can try closing off Roblox or by checking another game to go and see if it's a problem with the game or just Roblox. Then if it's still not working, the next thing you need to check is your Roblox sound settings. Press on the escape button on top on Roblox icon in the top left, and then tap on settings and select volume. So in here, make sure your volume is turned on. If not, just go ahead and tap the plus sign. You can also select output device and make sure it is set correctly. If not, just go ahead and change it. The next thing I recommend you to do is check your PC's volume. So on the bottom menu, click on sound icon and make sure it is not muted. You can also check your sound settings and make sure it is in the right place. You can also try to open other apps like YouTube to check if you can hear the sounds in there. If yes, then maybe your computer is having sound problem. And you can check my other videos related to that. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also leave your comment down below. Thanks for watching.